In today's video, I will be share exact method we use for our client website to rank on Google first page, and you can run entire local SEO campaign with this one Google sheet. So if you are a business owner or agency owner and managing multiple projects, then this video is for you. So before starting the video, let me share some results of my client website. Those are getting good results using this spreadsheet, and you can use the same strategy, same method using this sheet to rank on Google first page. So you can see results here, and we are managing multiple sites, and all the sites have the same results and they are getting good leads on the monthly basis. So you can use the same Google sheet to increase your ranking, to increase your visibility, and definitely increase your leads. So the best part of this video, you can access this Google sheet free of cost, and you can access using a link which is in description. So let's start the video, and I will guide you step by step, and if you have any question you can simply ask in comment section and I will guide you according to your business. So this is our Google spreadsheet which we are creating in this video, and this sheet will help you to rank on Google searches. So we will analyze competitors, we will analyze our client website, and then we need to fix those things which are showing the issues and which are behind the competitors. So start the spreadsheet from the scratch. So here you can see all the tabs, and now you need to click on first tab, which is client details. So I will click on client details, and and now you can see all the details here: company name, address, email address, phone number, location, and website. These are the basic things, but you must need to add these things in your sheet so that you can understand the data of your client website from the same sheet as well. So now you need to click on content strategy. Now you can see all the content like a page type, page name, everything. So these are the complete website content structure. So now you need to click on pages. We have all these pages, and now you need to click on competitors, which is the main tab, and you can't ignore this tab, and this tab will help us to design the content, will design the pages, and how we need to improve our ranking. These all things, and this tab will help us to improve all these things. Now you need to click on local citations, and we added all the websites where we want to list our website, and you can list on yellow pages, yellow.com, etc. So you need to search listing websites according to your client niche. So you can't add any listing website in your spreadsheet. Now you have the server optimized pages. Now you have task sheet. So this is the sheet where we will add the status, whether we completed this task or not. If we completed this task, then we definitely add the true status, and if we did not complete this task, then definitely we will add the false status. So this sheet will help you completely. You can add tasks as well, and you can see the competitors as well. So now this is the our main tab. So I open this, and we will understand this complete sheet, how you can create this sheet for your client. So now you have a first column, which is domain URL. You simply need to add the URL of your client website. Then you need to add your client competitor websites. Like I added 7 competitor websites, and you can simply add your competitor according to your client website as well. So how you can find a competitor website? You can simply search of your main keyword of your niche. Like we have this keyword and we have this location. So this is our niche and this is our location. So I am searching this, and you can see here we found all those competitor websites. So you can simply check the top websites in Google Map and in Google searches, and you can add all those links in your Google spreadsheet. So here you can see my client website as well on the top first page. So here is our client website. So you can add other top websites in your spreadsheet of your competitors. So now you need to add business name. So here are the business name. You can simply add your business name and your competitor business name from their website. So this is the simple column. Now the next row is age of the domain. So you can simply check your domain age, your competitor domain age, and you can add it here. So you can use any tool. I search like if you search here, for example, domain age checker. I just search on Google, and you will see all the websites which are providing domain age checker tool. So you can simply click on this. I click on the first website, and you need to paste your client website URL, and I added. Now you need to click on check domain age. So here you can see the age of your domain, and now you need to click on try new, and you can check all the competitor domain ages. So then you need to put ages of your competitor and your own domain in this sheet. So the next I will also tell you how you can highlight these columns. So next we have a local ranking for the main keyword, and how you can check ranking of your main keyword. And here you can see I added already. So I will also tell you the process. This is the just PDF of our website. So this is the SEMrush tool. You can simply copy this link and paste it in your SEMrush. Here you can see organic rankings. So you need to click on organic rankings, and you need to put your domain URL and need to click on search, and this will give you the rankings, keywords, everything, top keywords, keywords by intent, and everything which you want to see, and total traffic as well. So now the next thing is number of reviews on Google Business. So you can simply check your competitor and your own Google reviews in Google map listings. So you can see here this is one of our competitor, and they have 220 Google reviews, and we already added 220 Google reviews in their column. So here you can see now they have improved some Google reviews, but before that these are the 202. So now the next thing is number of images on website and GMB. So you need to add images, like if you have 60 images, if you have 70 images. So if you see here, you can see sorry, I need to click on see all images, so see photos, and you can count all the photos from here. So these are the photos which is in their GMB. So now you need to put the number of images in their in their own columns. Now the next thing is domain authority. So how you can check the domain authority? You can simply click on this tool, and this will help you to find domain authority of your domain and of your competitor domain as well. So you need to click here and enter the domain, and need to click on check DA, domain authority. So here you can see domain authority is 24, and now I need to click on 24. Here is our domain authority. So I just added the 23, and now this is the 24. So the things are improving, and definitely when things are improving, they will definitely rank on Google searches and look on Google map listings as well. So you need to click you need to add your competitor DA as well. You can simply copy this URL, paste it here, and you can see the competitor DA as well. So here you can see the 16, and we added 12 before that. They are also improving, so that is the good thing. Our competitors are also improving. Now the next thing is a website speed, and you can check your website speed using GT Matrix or Google Speed Insight. You can use any tool. So I use GT Matrix. So you need to click on GT Matrix, and you need to copy your website URL, and you simply need to paste it here, and this will analyze your website URL and give you a speed score. So we need to wait for this. So here you can see 61% performances. So we changed some design, so that is why this is giving the less results, but we added a 96. So we can change from 96 to 61. So definitely we are changing the content, we are changing the page designs according to the content strategy. So we definitely need to speed optimize of our client website after the after completing the content strategy and page designs. So now you can use the same tool and you can check your competitor speed score as well. So I checked and added all the competitor speed score in their column. So next thing is we have overall SEMrush traffic. So we need to add traffic, how much traffic website have getting. So you can see here 4488 547 5.8k. It means our competitor getting good traffic, but we are not getting good traffic, and we need to improve these things, and we need to improve our ranking, and we need to improve our not only the ranking but the keywords as well. So definitely if we are ranking on the top but only the 10 keywords, then definitely traffic will be the low. And if we are ranking on 60 keywords, 70 keywords, even in this second page, or even in the 4th, 5th place of the Google searches, then definitely we will get the good traffic. But remember, you must need to add keywords according to your niche. You can't add random keywords in your website. So you must need to follow these small things to rank your website, to get the good leads for your client business, for your own business. So you can simply use SEMrush to check the overall traffic. So how you can check the overall traffic? You can simply go here, domain overview, and you need to simply put your domain. And in domain overview, you need to simply add your URL, and you need to click on search, and this will give you the organic traffics and other things as well. And remember, you must need to click on country as well. If you are giving services in Canada, then you need to click on Canada, and if you are giving services in US, then definitely you need to click on US, and you need to check traffic in US, not in the worldwide, because if you are ranking on UK, USA, and you are giving services in Canada, then definitely this traffic is wasted for you. So I added all the traffic number in their columns, and you can see here we are improving, because when I created this sheet, the number was 488, and now it is higher than 1000. So the next thing is top pages from organic traffic. So for this column, you also need to use SEMrush to check the top pages from organic traffic. So why it is necessary? Because we are also checking our own website pages, which we can see in our WordPress dashboard as well, but we are also checking the competitor pages as well. So these pages will help you to design our content strategy. So you can see here I added the pages, and I added the client pages as well. And how you can generate this PDF? You can simply go in SEMrush, and you need to click on top pages, and you need to put URL, and you need to click on search, and this will give you this list, and you can simply click on export or export to PDF. So you must have a SEMrush tool, or you can use any other tool, but you need to search all these things. So I added all the PDF of our competitor in here, and then after everything we analyze, we will analyze their pages to design our content. So the next thing is referring domain. So you can use Ahref to find the referring domain of your own website and your competitor website as well. So for example, I am copying my competitor website URL, and need to click on this tool, which is free. You can use free of cost. So you need to put URL, and you need to click on check domains. And here you can see 20 backlinks, and we already added 20 backlinks in their column, but we have 22. So I think 2 links was removed, but you can simply use this tool to check your own website and your competitor website referring domains. So the next thing is pages indexed. How you can check your how many pages of your website are indexed in Google? You can simply use this term site. For example, I am putting this, and site colon domain.com. So we can put any our of competitor website domain. So I am clicking this, and I need to click here. Now this will give you the complete now this will give you now this will give you the now this will this prompt give you the pages which are in the uh, So this prompt will give you how many pages of your website have been indexed in Google, so you can check your own website using this prompt as well. So I added all the numbers here. I also my pages indexed in my column and my competitor as well. So now after putting everything in your Google spreadsheet, especially in competitor tab, now you need to highlight the things where you are lagging and which competitor is doing good in specific column. So we have three colors, and if you see here, this is the highest domain age, so I give the green color. And now the second number is this competitor, so I give the yellow color. And now only red color is left, so I need to give red color of my own domain. So if I am on the top, then I need to give the green color of my column. For example, you can see here I have 60 plus images in my GMB and website, and no one have more than 60 plus images in my competitors, so definitely I give the green color of my column. Then definitely you need to check all these columns and you need to give colors accordingly. So after analyzing your competitor website and your own website or your client website, you need to improve things where you are not doing good. For example, you have less number of reviews, 244, and your competitor have 1634, so you need to improve Google reviews. So after that, you need to improve your domain authority, you need to improve your website speed. So I need to change green to red color because my client website speed have been decreased. So I need to improve this also. And I need to give a green color which have top speed optimization score. So this have top speed optimization score, so I need to give the green, or you can give the light green. And you can add red color in your website because you have very less speed score. So you need to so we need to improve this. We need to improve our traffic, we need to improve our referring or domains, we need to improve our pages index which are in Google. So if we improve all these things, definitely we will improve in our ranking, and we will improve in our traffic as well. So definitely if we improve our ranking, if we improve our traffic, we will get the good quality leads for our client website. So this is the complete method which you need to follow for your website or for your client website to increase your ranking. And this sheet will help you to analyze your competitor as well. Also, you can share this sheet with your client so that they can see task of this month, and and your clients can see your local citation, how many backlinks you to add in this month. And this sheet will update it your client as well. So whenever you add any pages or any local landing pages, you need to give the pages type, and you need to give the page name. So how you need to build a content strategy, I will tell you complete in detail in the next video. So you must need to subscribe our channel so you can get the update, and you can see the other videos as well. So hopefully you will understand the process how you can analyze your competitor website and your own website as well. So hopefully you will like this complete video where I show you how I rank my client websites, how I track my client website performances. So you can use the same Google Sheet to increase your visibility, to increase your ranking. So if you need more information related to local SEO, website design, digital marketing, you can simply subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.